Hello everybody, in today's episode I'm gonna share with you the unboxing of my new HP Elitebook 845G8. And I ordered this one to help me in my work when I'm working from home instead of the office. So let's begin. Well, as you can see, it's a big box, and the first thing that we're gonna take out is the U-Green, the 4-port USB 3.0 switch box. It's one will be very helpful for doing my job well, because I'm planning to actually connect my keyboard and mouse to two different systems. One is for my work, my computer for my work, and one is for my privately owned computer, which I use to also make my editing videos like the one you're watching right now. So it consists with two separate USB cables. Let's see where the port is, actually, the switch box. Oh, it's apparently at the bottom of the box. As you can see, it has one button above it with two USB ports at the back side to attach to your PCs, and four USB ports at the front, which you can attach a keyboard or a mouse or any other device that you want to use on your computer or system. Well, I put it in the box back again, and we put it aside, and look what else is in the box. Let's take this one. A bunch of manuals and warranty books from HP as well. And this is a display port, which I'm gonna use to attach my system to work from two separate monitors. And I see some power plugs as well, and a power cable. And I also ordered two YubiKeys. That's for security reasons when I'm using my VPN network. And let's see what else. I think this is the switch box as well. This one, yes, the USB-C dock G5, which I ordered as well. Comes with a separate power adapter. More cables, of course. Power cable. And this is the docking station itself. Let me take it out very carefully. And as you can see, it's wrapped up as well. Comes with a USB-C connector to give it some power. And in a separate video, I will explain more about this device. So don't forget to subscribe on this video if you want to see more videos like this. Let's see what else in there. Wow, this is the main thing that I'm really excited about. It's the new HP Elitebook, the 845G8. I really like the new logo of HP. It's minimal but very recognizable. And alright, put that aside. Box, and very fancy, and as you can see, it's quite slim as well. Let me open it also. Wow, very good, very good. And the buttons are quite good as well. I'm really looking forward to using this Elitebook as well. Let me collect all the things that I received, so we have an idea what I've ordered till now. Let me take it out again. Actually, I didn't have to put it back in the box. Very nice, very nice. And what do we have here as well? Those are the two USB cables to attach to the computers. I have the power plugs, power cable as well, and an adapter. So one is for the laptop itself and one for the docking station, USB-C docking station from HP. Let me take it out of the plastic wrapping. Well, very nice. Comes with I think 1.5 or 2 meters long USB-C cable to power it up, but it also comes with a separate power cable and adapter. Yes, I think the small one is for the laptop and the bigger one is for the USB-C docking station. It's possible that I mixed it up on around, but apparently those both cables are compatible and are to use the same on the laptop or the docking station itself. And here's the other one. And always make sure that everything when you bought something online, if you order something online, that if it's complete and it arrived in good order, that there's no damage. The manual for the USB-C docking station. Okay, the UB keys, for security reasons, looks good, both of them. These are actually the second set that I've ordered online. And these are the display ports. This I'm gonna use because nowadays more and more systems are using or the HDMI cables or the display ports. So to be future proof, I decided to order this display port as well. I still have also an HDMI cable as well, but it comes with a protective casing on the plugs itself. Very nice detail. Looks good. Let me put it back on again. Nice. Those are the manuals. And these are the setup instructions that I'm gonna read on my on a later stage. And yeah, that's actually it for today. So, and after I put this in, let us get into it to know more about the HP Elitebook 845 G8. So that's the one I'm very excited about.